Hey everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and the project that I'm going to show you in this video is for all of the plant moms and plant dads that are out there. I consider myself a plant mom, and so I wanted to share this project with all of you. It says, "Home is where my plants are," which is super adorable. And so if you watch this video, I will show you step by step how you can make this sign. The first thing you're going to do is get out your paper cutter and your plant paper, and you will first cut off the bottom of the paper that has the barcode on it and the name of the paper line on it. Once you do that, you will then flip your paper the other way and cut it to 10.5 inches. Grab your frame that has the plexiglass and flip it over so that the back is facing up. Take some glossy accents to glue the edges of the paper down to the plexiglass. Do your best to center the paper so that on both the top and the bottom there is the same amount of space. Next, you will grab your jute rope and glossy accents, and the first thing we're going to do is line jute rope all around the edge of the plexiglass, and it's going to be right in line with the frame. Once you make your way across all edges of the frame, you will then cut off the remaining jute rope. You are then going to add more jute rope to the top of the plexiglass. We want to cover the space where there's no paper. So you will put down some glossy accents and then your jute rope. And then you are going to take that rope and glue it beneath the jute rope that you just laid down. And you aren't going to cut it, you are just going to go kind of back and forth until you meet the edge of the paper. You will then do the same thing on the bottom. Next, you are going to put on the stickers that are going to go on top of the plexiglass. And I used some packaging from the stickers to just use as a guide, just to help me so that I put the stickers on straight. To start, you are going to lightly place the stickers on the plexiglass. You don't want to push the stickers down because you want to be able to get a feel for where everything's going to be and make adjustments before you adhere the stickers completely to the plexiglass. Once you have all of your stickers laid out, you will then make any adjustments that you need, and it really helps if you take your sign off of the table that you're working on and hold it up to just make sure that everything is straight and in line. And then once everything looks as you like, you then can press down on all of the stickers and adhere them to the plexiglass. And now your sign is ready to be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this sign at craftsdirect.com/projects.